Let's go to the post office, Twiggy. We're going to the post office. Let's go. Sit. Let's go. There's Mac. Mac's jumping. Mac wants to go too. Poor Mac, he's not allowed. Hey Mac. That's Mac. He can jump too. Good girl, jumping. Jumping. Jumping dog. Yes. Neighbour dog? Neighbour dog? He's had a haircut, Twig. Another jumping dog. Cameron. Kangaroo Island Community Education Kingscote campus. This is the hive of communications. Old school. Look at that. Old school. Kangaroo Island vegetation communities. Sugar gum in orange, quite a bit of that, quite a bit of cap gum in purple, and narrowleaf mallee very widespread as well. Bit of a bee display, honey display, very nice, very nice. Twig, don't be so impatient. Come on, let's go. Playground. School's in. Nice little vegetable garden. Who's that dog? Twiggy doesn't really like other dogs. We'll let them keep their distance. Main Street into Kingscote. Telegraph turns to Kohinoor. Kohinoor that way, Telegraph that way. Bit of traffic for a Monday. Fencing, wood chipping, motorbike, dogs, Look at that dog. Alright. Almost ready to cross. Let Twig off in the park. Off she goes. Be safe, Twig. Not on the road. Right park. Run, Twig. Run. Kangaroo Island Fresh Seafoods and the Caltex. What are you doing, Twig? Don't go on the road. Twig, come here. Twig, come here. That's enough freedom for you. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Beautiful roses. And the pump. I've actually noticed the pump before. Wow. It's even got a bucket. Look at that. And beautiful roses. Amazing. To find the story about the pump out. Here we go. Advanced Kingscote. Takes care of the park. Twig's keen. Hibiscuses. Very nice. Bakery. Twig, don't pull too hard. Entrance to the nursery. Very nice. Got some plants. Typical farm ute, fighting unit, a pump on the back, and a sheep trailer, but no sheeps. No sheeps today. How are you? Good, thanks. Table blinds in there. Kangaroo Island Fruit Veg Organic Chop. The organic connection. Away for lunch, I think. Oh no, she's there. Twig, don't pull too hard. Susie's B&B. Hey Susie. Ambulance station, everyone's there, that's good. Kingscote station of the SA ambulance service. To the rescue. KI crash repairs. If you ever need to be recovered your vehicle and repaired, take you to Scotty. Here we have Kildare Chemist. No, Twig. The Chemist, which is right next to the medical clinic. Very handy, that. No, Twig, that's not your friend. Wood chips. over the road, the dollhouse B&B. It's the old bank building. Kingscote Central. Kind of an Art Deco building. Parks and council. Big communication tower. The bus stop. The rock hopper doesn't go anymore, but you can catch the C-Link bus. There's a council car park, electric vehicle charging stations, big old water tank, the KI gallery, new mural, and Ingram's Home Hardware. Council building, town hall, community hall, it says on the sign. It's the ocean, Nepean Bay. There's the main street. Banks, Kangaroo Island Council, bottle shop, Bella Pizza, Ingram's, etc, etc. Council. This district hall was opened by the Honourables Thomas Playford, Premier of South Australia, 20th of December 1955. Cup memorabilia. How are you? I see you, I see you. There's the library, Galileo, the library. The father of modern astronomy. And that's Kingscote, there you go. That's how you get around. Is there no Twig? Yes. Good girl. And the post office. Here we go. That's where we'll finish it. Which post office box? Which one is it? You'll never know.